hey guys, and this is a slow juicer. So I have this thing to put over here, and then we're gonna add the juice in. So this button, we press to start. If you want to make it back, you press reverse, and if you want to make it stop, you can like press stop, and then we're gonna add the juice in. So let's press start, and it's going this way. So we're gonna add this in, and see, the trash is coming right here. So the trash is coming right here. So trash is coming right here. So some trash is gonna come through soon. So we're gonna add all of these oranges, and we also wash these. Make sure you wash these because they won't be good if you don't wash them. So we're gonna add all of these in, and then you can see the trash coming out and the juice right here. It's a slow juicer, so it might take a while, but you can have some, yeah. And we have some veggies and stuff that we can put in, so yeah. And then we're gonna add all the oranges, and it might take a while because this has to still blend in. So we're gonna add all of that in. We're gonna add some carrots, because who doesn't like carrots? So we're gonna add that in. We gotta wait for that because, like I said, it's a slow juicer. And yeah, we're gonna add all the carrots in, and we're gonna add all the apples in. It might splash on you because it's a slow juicer. So we're gonna add all the apples in now. So we're gonna add all that in. So some apples must be big. Some apples maybe be big, but that's okay. But we can just squeeze them in. If they don't go, we can just do that and like make them go in. So yeah. And then we can just push that in. If it doesn't go, like I said, we can push that in. That didn't work though. So we're gonna put that in. And after we're done adding all the apples, you can add any fruit after. So I'm choosing for kiwis. Yeah, I'm choosing for kiwis right here. So yeah, I'm choosing for kiwis. And if the skin leaves right here, it's okay, cause it's got all the trash is gonna come over here anyway. So yeah, we actually left the apple. And then we're gonna add all the beets in. So let's do that. Alright, so okay. Then we're gonna add the beets in. It might take a while for the beet because it's kind of big, but it's kind of soft at the same time. So yeah, add the beet in. Might be too big, but that's okay. You can still open it and put it in, and then leave it like that. So we'll do it, and then we're gonna add some grapes. We need all the veggies in like that, and fruits. So we're gonna add all the grapes, and we are going to add all the veggies in. It might spill because you're not moving it too much. You just gotta move it, and then you gotta put all of in. So it might take you a while to do the grapes because they're so tiny, not like big like the carrots and all that. So yeah. So let's add all the in. Just add that in. You might feel one, but it's okay. We can just keep on going. Keep on going. You can add any fruit after. So I choose for you know, the grapes that come, And then once you're done we can take the trash. We can stop it right here. We can stop it. We don't have to use this because it's really not necessary for like that much. So like the juice is all done. Now we just need to clean the cups, and then we're all good. So I'm gonna show you when I am done with this. And once you're done, you can just press stop, or you can press reverse. So I'm going to press reverse. After all of this is done, I'm going to press reverse. So yeah. I'm going to do that and then press reverse. Wait, what did I do? So I press reverse. See, you have to keep on pressing it. You can keep on pressing reverse. And then once you want to stop, you can like press start again and make sure everything's out. And then we can take our juice. We can mix it with a spoon here.